All right, family, so you welcome back to my channel. This is Smart People for You. This is where we do it the smart way, right in the comfort of our homes. Guys, today I want to do this quick video to show you how you deposit fund into your Bytnex account so you can activate a contract. Okay, if you have created an account, you have registered, your dashboard look like what you are seeing here, but you don't have any fund inside. Okay, here will be zero because there's no fund. So you want fund, okay, you want money so you can go ahead and then purchase or buy a contract. That is exactly what I'm here to do. Now basically there are two ways you can get fund on deposited into your cryptos or your Bytnex account. Okay, one is the what we call the internal transfer, okay, which is the P2P. Very convenient, very easy, and it comes without any problems. Okay, I love that one so much. Okay, how do you go about that one? It's simple. You just get in touch with your upline or your sponsor and tell him, hey, I need this amount of dollars in my account. Okay, so you will just send him the USDT, or if the person happens to be the same country with you, you arrange, you send him the local currency, then he will get the e-cash. We call it e-cash. Okay, he will get the e-cash for you just with your email. You just send your email to him, you just copy, and then he send the e-cash to your back office in a matter of some few minutes. Okay, just some few minutes, you get your e-cash in your wallet, where you can just go ahead and then buy the contract with. Okay, whether you are buying single contract, just saying how much e-cash you need, $100, $1,000, 2,000, 500, any amount, and then he'll get it for you. Okay, if he doesn't, just contact me. I'll do that for a lot of people, even those not in my team. I even help them to get e-cash. So that is the one way of getting the fund into your wallet. The other way, which I'm going to talk about into detail, is what you call the system deposit. Okay, in that case, you go to the system, the process, and then the system generate the deposit wallet address for you. You copy it, and then you go to your exchange or wherever you have your USDT, wherever you have your BTC, and then you send it. This platform accept only BTC or BTC cash deposit only. No USDT, no nothing. BTC or BTC cash. Okay, so if you want to do that one, if you want to do the system deposits, okay, I am going to walk you through. All right, I showed the first one. You just contact your sponsor, your upline, then you negotiate. He will get it for you. We do this with diligence. We are trusted in this system, so no upline will cheat you or will steal your money. Just feel free. All right, then the second one is what I'm going to say. So in case you want to do deposits for yourself, you are a crypto enthusiast, all you need to do after creating your account, which look like this, I need you to head towards these three horizontal lines here. That's the menu. Click there. Once you click there, you will see this one which says my wallet. Okay, just take my wallet, click on my wallet, then you see deposit right here. Click on deposit. Okay, once you click that, in fact, everything you do in this on this platform, you have to be time, you have to give it patience. Okay, once you click something, allow it time to load. So it accepts only two currencies, just as I said. One is this one. If you click on this small arrow, it takes you to the next page. Okay, the other currency is this one. All right, so it accepts only Bitcoin Cash and then Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin Cash. The first one is what? Bitcoin. So that is the only currency you can send. So in case maybe you want to send Bitcoin, it means you might have Bitcoin ready in your exchange or the wallet. Okay, you cannot send USDT, you cannot send anything, just Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash. So by now you should have your Bitcoin ready in your exchange, whether you are using OKX, Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, anyone. You must have the Bitcoin there, equivalent of what you, in fact, not even equivalent, more than what you want to send because of charges. Look at here. If you look at this place, you see that Bytnex fees is 3%. Okay, so whatever amount you are sending, you must add something to it. That is the inconvenience I'm talking about. With the other method I show you, you don't add anything. If you need $100, you send 100 USDT to your upline. You don't think about any charge. All right, so you just have it at the back of your mind. Then you go here, you see the minimum you can deposit is $25. It doesn't mean you need 25 to buy a contract. You can deposit 25 maybe today, the next day you can add 25, anytime you have, you can keep adding till it is 100, and you can buy contract. Okay, it doesn't mean you can buy contract with $25. No. All right, so just come here. Now the next thing you do is to click on this one that says deposit with BTC. Once you click there, allow it time to load. Good, here we are. It will generate an address for you. Okay, it will generate now sorry, here it will ask you to put in the amount. So maybe let's say I'm depositing maybe 200, or maybe I want to buy 2 contracts, so I'm depositing 200. Okay, now if you read the notes here, they say instant payment, minimum 25 USD and maximum of 5,000. Okay, so at a time, that is how much you can send. So maybe when you send, if you are buying more than maybe you want to deposit more than 5,000, you might send 5,000 at a time. Later you send 5,000 again, or the balance again. But I'm saying I'm putting in 200 because I want to send 200. So I'll just put in 200 and then click on this one that says proceed to deposit. Once you click on proceed to deposit, it will generate the address for you. Okay, and I must tell you, this must be done within a time because this is a blockchain project. So any address it generates for you must expire within. Okay, so here we have your deposit details are here. So you must know you are depositing 200. You must know you are paying a charge of this, and then you must know you are depositing in Bitcoin BTC. Okay, now if everything is okay for you, you go ahead and click on ready to deposit, this one in blue. Okay, you go to, I think the process has been changed now, but you follow it, you get it. Okay, so here is where you have your address. Okay, now this is the amount of BTC you send, equivalent to 200 USD. You send 0.002218 BTC. So you scroll down here, right here is your BTC address. Okay, and so the network is BTC or Bitcoin, that in your exchange. So you just copy the address, you click and hold. Once you click on hold, it will highlight, you see the copy symbol, you just click on copy, it will tell you copy. Then you move to your exchange and then do the deposit. I must warn, sometimes it delays. Okay, that is why I really don't like this process. I like the eCash or the internal transfer. Sometimes it delay. I personally did for a downline, I think from March 2025 till we speak, it hasn't reflected. So that one has given me a lesson that people are doing and it's coming. So I must know, sometimes take a day, sometimes 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 24 hours. In fact, because of network congestion, there are some inconveniences. Okay, but that doesn't mean that your money is going to be lost. Okay, you can just go ahead and do it if you want. Otherwise, let's use the internal transfer process. Okay, where just through your email we can push it to you and then you get it without any inconvenience. All right, so guys, basically that is how you deposit. And then when you click, you copy the address, you must work within 5 minutes. You must complete the deposit, because after a certain period of time, if you don't hurry up, this address you are seeing here will change. Okay, and then your fund may not reflect in time, may delay, or may not even come at all. So you must be quick in that. If you cannot, contact your sponsor. I rest my case. So guys, I will end it here. If this is the first time you are watching a video on my channel, you might be part of us just by clicking the subscribe button and then get on board this channel, because what we do is amazing. We make money online the smart way. Okay, now if you are interested in what we do, the registration link is there. You can create your account for free. Create your account for free, totally free. All you need to do is to provide your email. When you click on the link, I will put in the description of the video. It will ask you to register. Just provide your email and password. That is all. You are anonymous. Nobody knows about you. Then if you want to start making money, buy a contract, wait for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, and cash out cool money. So guys, that is how to deposit or fund your wallet for contract activation. The registration link I'll put in the description of the video. You can register an account. The WhatsApp link will also be there. You can get onto the WhatsApp group. Get in touch with me where I can guide you, just like I'll be guiding other people, and we are making money together. Let me end it here, and I'll see you in my subsequent videos. Guys, until then, I love you. Stay safe. Shalom.